Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to verify and send email for FormStack form submission. I want that whenever a new response is captured through FormStack form submission, automatically the email of the person who have submitted the form should be verified by using email list verify, and after the email is verified, automatically an email should be sent to the person who have submitted the form by using Gmail. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate all these applications, and because they do not have any kind of native integration between them, therefore we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software in order to connect all of them. So what we are going to do, we have FormStack in our trigger, email list verify and Gmail in our action. So we will be connecting all of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn the entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn that whenever we receive a new response through FormStack, automatically the email which is received through form response should be verified by using email list verify, and after that automatically an email should be sent to the person who have submitted the form by using Gmail. So let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create the workflow, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. So when we do that, we will come on the landing page of this software. Here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you're a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. After coming on all apps section, we can find all the products offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now, and it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here we can find all the workflows which we create, and to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and we can find a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide this workflow a suitable name. So let's give it a name as verify and send email for FormStack submission. So after giving the name, let's click on create. And here we can find, as we do that, two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic concepts or the basic principles on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. So the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards the trigger. Okay. So let's start creating the workflow. First of all, we have to select our trigger application, which will be FormStack. So let's select it. And now our trigger event will be new form submission, because we want that whenever a new form is submitted in FormStack, then the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's click on connect, and from the given options, let's select add new connection. Here we have to click on connect with FormStack. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our FormStack account. So we will simply click on authorize. And as we do that, we can find that our authorization is successful. It is very easy because I was already logged into my FormStack account. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logged into your FormStack account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, because it makes the connection simple and easier. Okay, so here we have to select the form. For that, I will again take you to my FormStack account, and here by going on home section, we can find that I have created a form which is named as integration for this particular workflow. So we will open it. And this is our form. Okay, so it contains first name, last name and email. Okay, so that's it. You can definitely edit this form as per your requirements. Okay, now I will again go on Pabbly Connect, and we can see that this particular form, that is integration, is already selected over here. Okay, so we have selected the form. Now we will click on save and send test request. And we can find as we do that, it is showing waiting for response. That means now we have to do a test submission by filling up the form in FormStack in order to capture the response here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will again go on our form. So here from the top, we can find the option of share. So we will click on this share. And as we do that, we can find that a URL, that is a form link, is provided to us, which we can use in order to share this form. So we will first of all copy this URL from here, and then we will open it in a new tab. Okay. So here we can find that form is open in front of us. Now we will fill the details in this form in order to submit it. So first of all, let's start with the first name. So I'm going to enter the first name as demo, just a random name. Last name will be user. So the name is demo user, and let us enter an email. Okay. demo565@pablitudes.com, just a random email. So I have entered dummy details in this form. In order to capture the response, we will click on submit form, and here we can find that our response is submitted. Now we will go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that we have already received the response with the same details which we have entered in the FormStack form submission. Okay, so first name, last name and email. So now what we are going to do, we are going to verify this particular email by using emaillistverify.com. Okay, so here we will select our action application as email list verify, and in our action event we are going to simply select single email verify because we want to verify a single email. Click on connect, and from the given options let's select add new connection. So here we have to enter the API key. For that we have to go on email list verify account, and after coming on it we can find from the left side that API option is given over here. So we will select it, and here we can find several APIs which are connected. Now to show you, I'm going to create a new API. We have to click on new API button in order to generate a new API key. Okay, so as we do that, it is showing that we have to give a name to this API. So what I'm going to do, so we will just enter a random name. Let's say ABCDE. Okay, and after that let's click on create. So here we can find that our API key is provided to us here. Now we will simply copy it and we will paste it over here. Okay, done. Click on save, and our email list verify account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on, and now we have to enter the email which we want to verify. So we will use our previous response, that is FormStack form submission. So here we have received the email in our response. So we have selected it and it is mapped. So why we have mapped this email instead of entering it manually? Because we want that whenever a new response is captured here in Pabbly Connect of the form submission, automatically this email should be replaced with a new data, that is with a new email of the new person. Okay, but if we will enter the data manually, then it will become static and it will not change with every new response. Then the workflow will get stuck. Okay, so in order to automate the entire process without doing anything manually, we use mapping. Okay, now after mapping the email, let's click on save and send test request, and we have received the response with the value as okay. Okay, that means this particular email is verified. Now what we want, now I want that wherever the email is verified, I want to send an email to the person whose email is verified here. So for that we can directly send the email, but I want that only the person whose email is verified should receive the email. So in that condition we will have to add one more action step here, and in that we have to apply filter, which is a feature by Pabbly. So filter allows us to set conditions for our workflow. So here I want that if this particular response is equal to okay, then only this workflow should continue. Okay, that means if the response of email list verify will be equal to okay, then only the email should be sent to the person who have submitted the form. Okay, now we have applied the filter, so let's click on save and send test request, and we can find that we have received the response and our condition is true. Okay, that means because this email was correct and it is verified, therefore our condition is true here. Now because our condition is true, therefore the workflow is going to continue further. So we will add one more action step here, and now we want to send the email. So for that I'm going to select Gmail here, and in action event, of course, it will be send email. Click on connect, and from the given options let's select add new connection, connect with Gmail, and here we have to select our account. Now Pabbly Connect is asking us for permission to access our Gmail account, so let's click on allow, and we can find that automatically our authorization is successful. So our Gmail account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the details given over here. So first of all, let's map the recipient's email address, which is given over here in FormStack response. The next is sender name. So I am going to enter the sender name, let's say Pabbly Connect. Let us enter the email subject, response received, and the email content type will be plain, and let us enter the content also. So I want to enter hello. Let us map the first name of the person, hello demo. Hello demo, we have received your response as, so let us map the full name so that it could be changed with every new response. So this is the first name, and we will in the same manner map the last name also. So here is the name and the email. We will map the email also. Done. Thank you. Thank you for contacting us, Team Pabbly. So this is the body of our email. Now we will move further and we will simply click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response and the status is sent. That means the email has been sent to the person whose email ID we have mapped here. So we will go and check for the email now. And here we can find that yes, we have received the email. Hello new, we have received your response as name, email. Thank you for contacting us, Team Pabbly. So this means our workflow is perfectly successful. Now we will go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken 4 steps here, trigger and 3 actions. In our trigger we have taken form stack and in action we have taken email list verify, filter and Gmail. And we have connected all of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new form will be submitted by form stack, automatically the email which is received through form submission will be verified by using email list verify. And we have used a condition by applying filter that only if the response from email list verify will come okay, then the workflow will continue and an email will be sent by using Gmail to the person who has submitted the form. Okay, so these were the steps which we have to follow in order to integrate all these applications by using Pabbly Connect. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.